Take a diagnostic assessment test. A diagnostic test is a test that is usually given or administered to measure a person's skill, aptitude, knowledge, or any other aspect. It is also called an assessment test. It is the process of having a person complete a specific task so you can analyze, observe, and gather pertinent information that you can use for proper intervention. Most of these exams are usually done before beginning a learning cycle or for any other purposes. It can be used to assess reading capabilities among children or those with special needs. It is very vital to determine a learner's strengths, weaknesses, and skills. For adults, it can be used to assess skills that can be helpful in career planning and guidance. An assessment exam can come in various types. It can be a career aptitude test, validity test, career personality test, or a score assessment test. You might have taken some of these tests already. An assessment test can also be diagnostic, standardized, etc. The assessment scores that will be gathered from this set of tests can be very good tools to measure a certain individual's capacity to perform a specific type of task. It can serve several purposes, which include assist a person's learning and development when it comes to knowledge and skills. Identify an individual's strengths and weaknesses. This can serve as a database for human resource improvement in work environment or personality development of employees in a certain company. To assess and improve the effectiveness of school curriculums or career enhancement programs for the people in a country's workforce. To assess if a specific technical or instructional strategy is working effectively. To get all necessary data that will be used in appropriate decision-making. Here are some tips before taking a diagnostic test that may be helpful to you. Make sure that you arrive early at the test center so that you can relax and be comfortable with the environment. You need to avoid anxiety as much as possible. Try reading a magazine or newspaper to relax your mind. It is important that you listen avidly and carefully to the instructions that are given. You may feel like you are totally bombarded with a lot of information. The key is to pay full attention to the instructions that are being given. In this way, you can focus on the assigned task and this will help you build your confidence. You can also get a copy of the instructions if they have something available. You are always free to ask questions if something is confusing you or not clear to you. Go over the instructions that are given twice or thrice. Be sure not to leave some items blank. Answer all questions. Try to budget your limited time and plan your time wisely. Make sure that you complete all the tasks that have been given to you. You may consult with the test administrator for follow-up of results. Assessment test shouldn't be a big deal for you. All you need is presence of mind and a sound body.